In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Skool group free. So in here, after successfully accessing the community homepage of your selected group or community, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the upper part of the screen and click the up and down button in here, which represents switch communities. When you click here, this will then provide you options. We simply go to settings gear icon. When you click on settings gear icon, this will then direct you to the list of settings in different aspects that you can modify or change inside your Skool account. So simply navigate and select the community that you would like to make it free. Let's say we're going to use test community in here. Then we click on settings. Now in settings, as you can see, we have various options in here. We simply go to pricing. When we go to pricing, as you can see automatically, this specific community or group is free because in Skool, when you are creating groups or community, it is in default for free. Now, if you would like to change the price of this or add specific values for the price for the users to access, you can simply change in here and make current or delete price or add the price in here. But initially, when you create communities or groups, the default settings is it is set to free. And that's about it. That's how to make Skool group for free. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.